4 and 3 and 2 and 1, down and across, turn to the left, and 4, 3, 2, and 1, up and over the top, and 4, 3, and 2, and 1, come down and across, and 4, 3, 2, 1, up and across. Now we'll do sets of 2, so 2 on the right, 1 and 2, down and across, and 1 and 2, up and over, 1 and 2, down and across, 1 and 2, 4 more sets, right side, and down and across, and then left side, and up and over, right side, and down and across, and left side, and up and over, 2 more sets, so overhand on the right for 2, down and across, and underhand left for 2, up and over, last set, 2 on the right, 1 and 2, and down and across, 1 and 2, up and over, and singles, cap, extension over the top, calf, extend on the bottom, calf, extend over the top, calf, extend across the bottom, calf, extend across the top, calf, extension on the bottom, calf, extension on the top, come out into overhand weave on the right, right turn 360, left turn 360, right turn 360, and left turn 360. And then here we are in overhand circles. Stall your right poi, left hand's overhand, right hand's underhand. Let's do the reversals with the 4 petal flowers. So we'll start with in spin. Left goes back, right goes front, 4 petal. And we'll come around twice, second time around. And then when we get to the bottom, do the reversal. So change into 4 petal anti-spin, 1 time around, 2 times around, get to the bottom, and reverse. And we'll go 2 times around again. And on the second time around, reverse again to anti-spin. 1 and 2, reverse at the bottom for in-spin again. Bump, bump, bump. Second time through, bump, 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 and reversal. Dun, 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 dun. And 1 more reversal, in-spin. And 1 more time with in-spin. And then reverse to anti-spin. And then come down to the bottom. Flip your right poi into the front, and we'll do a right takeout, moving to the 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 left. Now we'll go left. Sorry, left takeout, out, left, out, and left. We're moving out, and we're going back to the right. 4 and 3 and 2, and moving left. 4, 3, 2, and we'll go up with the right. 4, 3, 2, 1, go up to the left, 4, 3, hold in the middle, 2, 1, and butterfly angel for 4, 3, 2, 1, now butterfly, now big butterfly, and small butterfly, big butterfly, and third set, and big butterfly, and fourth set, and big butterfly, and now come up and over and back down for 4, 3, 2, 1. So small butterfly, big butterfly, 3 more. Small butterfly, big butterfly, small and big. Last time small and big. Now butterfly angel for 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Now come down to the hip room and then bring it up into the pinwheel and come back down to the hip room, back up to the pinwheel, come back down to the hip reel, back up to the pinwheel, and come back down to the hip reel. And this time when you come up to the pinwheel, do extensions, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left. Come back down into the hip reel, back up to the pinwheel, back down to the hip reel, back up to the pinwheel, and come back down to the hip reel. One more time up to the pinwheel, and back down to the hip reel. And then this next time when you come up to the pinwheel, we're going to do the extensions again. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Now we're in that split direction pinwheel, opposite direction of pinwheel, overhand opposite. And come back down to butterfly. Stall your right poi to the right hand side, turn right, come into overhand weave. And then from here, pretty sure we've done this, where you're in the weave, we're gonna try and take the right poi when you're going from the over position on the left side to the under position. I want you to also go under the leg. So over, under the leg, over, under the leg, over, under the leg. And then we'll try the other side. So when the left is going from the over to the under, you go under the right leg, under the right leg, under the right leg, under the right leg. And then we'll try and do 4 weaves, 3 weaves, 2 weaves, and then this next weave go under your left, and then your right, and then back to weave, and another weave, and another weave. And now we'll go under the left one on the left side and the right one on the right side, back to weave, and weave, and weave, and weave. And now get ready to go under the left poi, and then, sorry, left leg, then the right leg, back to weave, and weave, and weave, and weave. And here we go, back under the left leg, under the right leg, and back into overhand weave. Turn right 360, turn left 360, turn right 360, turn left 360, and, sorry, I only went 180, 360, and then turn another 180, come out and underhand on the left side, open it up into circles, stall right, stall left, 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 last set, right, left, right, left, and you'll be back in underhand if you did what I did.